Button it. Unbuttoning the meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms and phrases. And the phrase on our list today is, button it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. So, let's get started. In the simplest sense, button refers to the small disc or knob sewn onto a shirt, coat, or other piece of clothing, used to fasten it. Button it could literally mean to fasten a button on your clothes. But in English, it has another meaning, which brings us to the next section. When someone says, button it, they aren't usually talking about clothing. This phrase is an informal way to tell someone to stop talking or to be quiet. It's similar to saying, zip it, or shut up. Imagine if our lips were like buttons, and by buttoning them, we'd stop talking. Let's see how this phrase can be used. 1. When your friend is about to reveal a surprise party. Hey, button it. We don't want to ruin the surprise. 2. If someone is talking too much during a movie, could you please button it? I'm trying to watch the film. Remember, this phrase is informal, so it might not be suitable for more formal settings or conversations. It's informal. As mentioned, use it with friends or in casual settings. It can come off as rude. Just like, shut up, button it, can be taken as impolite. So, gauge the situation and your relationship with the person before using it. Context is everything. It's vital to ensure that the listener understands you're using an idiomatic expression. Otherwise, they might just look down at their shirt buttons in confusion. So there you have it, dear learners. The next time someone tells you to button it, don't check your shirt. They might just be asking you to keep quiet. We hope this video has unbuttoned the mystery of this interesting English phrase for you. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.